Now I have to fix that on my face. Hey, good morning and welcome to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all gonna get ready with me for work this morning real quick. I've already done my skincare and all that good stuff and sound like a man this morning because it's early. I put on my Danessa Myricks primer. I'm gonna go in with my MAC NW58 as my foundation for today. Shake it up because I have not used this in a while. Next, I'm going in with my two concealers. One is NW45 and one is NW50. I always try to use at least two concealers because I like the way that it blends out and it makes my face look how it naturally looks. This is the NW50. NW50 is the darker shade. NW45 is the lighter shade. This is my LYS contour in the shade Worthy. Remember, I told y'all this right here, it shows up and shows out for the show. So make sure you treat her gentle. Treat her right. Treat her right. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. sponge. Y'all know I love this sponge because it is the truth. Blend it all the way out. Just blend it enough. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Because you still want to see your makeup. And I like to blend the parts that are the NW50 first because I want to use the darker shade before I use the lighter shade. And right here, this is the NW50. So I'm going to squeeze my beauty blender in just a little bit. Go from there. That's how it looks blended with the NW50 only in those spots. Then I'm gonna go back in and blend the NW45, the light parts. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush and I'm gonna blend the harsh line in between the contour and the highlight because I want it to look seamless. Remember, your beauty blender will pick up more of your actual makeup than the brush will. So since I want it to be more dense, I'm gonna use my brush. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty. Y'all know I like this, and this is in the shade Cinnamon Bun. Always, I like this shade. You know, I love to use my little triangular round that I got. I call it triangular round. A little triangular square puff that I got from Amazon. You can get a 6-pack or 12-pack from Amazon, but pick up your product on your little pad there and then dust it off because you don't want too much on your face. Make sure we don't set fine lines, okay? Okay, and then set. Same thing, put it on all those hot spots. And I'm taking some of the extra product off of my hand that I had on my hand and using that as well. Because this powder is expensive and we don't want to waste it. Now that we've done that, dust off the extra powder and move on. Now, when I go to work, I don't like for my under eye to be super highlighted. I like for everything to look real mute matte. This next thing is my Sephora Micro Smooth. Y'all know I love this. This is in the shade 80. This one is a darker shade, so I'm going to put it directly on top of that LYS contour that I put onto my face. And I'm using an angle brush, and I'm patting it right on top of that. I love my Charlotte Tilbury. So this is Charlotte Tilbury, my airbrush bronzer, and it's in the shade 4. Okay, and I'm gonna use that as well. Same brush. I just dusted off on a little towel that I have down here, and I'm doing the same concept. Okay, the micro smooth is smoothing and it has shimmers in it, so that's why I use that one first. Then I come back with my Charlotte Tilbury because I like the shade that it is. Love it. Love the shade. Okay, there. I said it. I said it. And then I'm just gonna blend them both together. I'm gonna go in with my NARS. Okay, this is my Exhibit A. Okay, I wear this pretty much all the time. It is the shade of red. Ugh, I don't like this brush for this. I wanted a more free-flowing brush. Then I'm gonna take my brow pencil. This is precisely my brown. This is in the shade 5. I have my brows microbladed, so micro shaded. I'm sorry. So this is not really needed. It's not really needed. Ken Lady Cosmetics. This is my everyday palette. I use this every day. Look, as you can see, this is my favorite color. It's gone. Then I use, look at me, look at the palette. I use this pretty much every day, and then I use this. And that's what I'm going to use today. It is the best shade for me. See what I mean? It's just perfect. Like, it gives the perfect nude natural eye. Very subtle. Pretty doggone pretty. I'm gonna stop singing and get on up out here. Take my eyeliner, which is by Inglot. Let me show y'all my Inglot. And this is in the shade black. And this is a gel eyeliner. That was horrible. Because I'm rushing. Now I have to fix that on my face. And I will, because it's not set. So, if it's not set and it's not wet, it's good. It's good. It's good. Take my Q-tip. Later, babe. My concealer on top of it. I had some left from doing my brows. Take my beauty blender. There we go. There we go. There we go. Took my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna go back in with my setting powder. Okay. Take it. Do the same thing all over again. We fixed it. Now we have to do some mascara, and then we gotta get up out of here. This is just a mini version of my big connoisseur. All right, y'all, that's it. This is the final look. I'm throwing my coat and we're gonna get up out the door. So this was my quick makeup routine, and I got to go, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye.